Hello friends, you are most welcome in the Tech classes and you are going to learn about the different type of the speed. So let's start it. We know that the speed is of many kind. There are four different type of speed. Means speed may be only of these four types. Another type is non-defined. Okay. So first is uniform speed. What is the uniform speed? If all over the motion speed of the body is uniform, means it is not changing. If speed of the body is not changing, or we can say if the body have zero acceleration, then speed of the body will be uniform and it will be defined as an object. Wrote down. An object is said to be moving with uniform speed. An object is said to be moving with uniform speed if it covers equal distance in equal intervals. If it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, however small this time interval may be. However small these intervals may be. Or you can say if the acceleration of the body is 0, then the speed of the body will be uniform. Next point, variable. Variable speed. Uniform speed had done and variable speed. If body has non-zero acceleration, if magnitude of the acceleration is non-zero or acceleration is a is non-zero, then speed of the body will be known as variable speed. And if acceleration is 0, then speed of the body will be known as uniform speed. So wrote down the definition of variable speed. An object is said to be moving with the variable speed. An object is said to be moving with variable speed if it covers unequal distances. In uniform it was equal distances in equal intervals, but in variable if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. In equal intervals of time it will cover unequal distances. Okay, I think you have got. And third is average speed. So wrote down the definition of this also. For an object moving with variable speed, for an object moving with variable speed, the average speed is the total distance. Average speed is the total distance covered by the object divided by total time taken to cover that distance. Means we have not consider any interval or any other thing. Simply we have to see that what total distance the particle had covered and what total time it had taken. So total distance covered by the particle is divided by total time taken by the particle, and what will be get, that will be the average speed. So average speed is done, and now instantaneous speed. What is the instantaneous speed? The speed of an object. The speed of an object at any particular instant. The speed of an object at any particular instant of time or at any particular point of path of any particular instant of time or any particular instant of point of its path is called the instantaneous speed. Means at any specific point or at any point, if we are finding its speed, then that will be instantaneous speed. And if any specific point or any point we are finding its speed, then it will be its instantaneous speed. And it can be defined as v is equal to limit delta t tends to 0 delta x divided by delta t, or we can say d by t. Okay, so I think you have got. Thank you very much.